Hi folks, Robert here, and thanks for tuning in. And now we're going to get ready to go and start on our Commercial Recreational Center over in Revit. So now the first thing we normally do to start a project, we go to the Manage tab and we go to Project Information. Information is there, and then the first thing you always want to do is basically put the address in. So you go to address, it should be able to build it back there. Yep, and the address of this place is 3830 North New York Avenue. And that's in Peoria, Illinois. I'm not sure what the zip code is right now, but I'll get it. No. 11111 for now. And then we'll say OK right here for the address. And then a project name, we'll say OK here. Our project name will be Healthy, or I guess Heal Thy Health. Health Center. Oh, Rec Center, I'm sorry. This is a Rec Center. We'll just say Rec Center for now. Yeah. Project number will be whatever you want to give it. I always give a date or something, like today's date, so I would say 06/26/23. That would be the project number, and then we would say OK. Now, from this point on, we look at other things here. We go back to that viewer again. Okay. I don't have it up right now. I think it could pop in there right quick. Yep. When we go in this viewer here, we looked at what we needed in here, and it's a fair amount of stuff. So what we'll do just for planning stages, get an idea what's the size of this thing's going to be. So we're going to do regulation basketball, so that's going to take a lot of space up. But we're going to focus on the first level now. So the first level is really spacious. Okay. So for now, we'll go back into Revit. So we got a good idea of what the floor layout will be. So what we should do is focus on the exterior walls now, and go in and have a look at one of our sheets just to see if we put our information in, it all looks good. So I think I have a sheet here. Let's look at this one. Okay, so that's all good. We want to change the title block probably later on as well. So the first thing, you guys, I want you to do here, pretty simple and straightforward. Go to level 1 and lay this floor plan out right here. So the overall distance from here to the back is going to be 95 feet. And then from here we're going to do 104 feet. And then this radius bend here, let's measure this. Yeah, that's 26.6, just like what we did in the other one. So to lay the floor plan out like this, just for starters, and we'll go and do the interior walls in the next video. So if you're keeping up, you know, just lay that out, get your project information in. Actually, I'll probably will push this a little farther along. Just so we know what's happening. So basically now, if you look at this, the wall types here, properties. Right now we're only using 8-inch generic walls, but these walls are probably going to be brick on metal stud like we used before, or like I said, we might try precast, or many different types of wall systems we'll use. And then here, the interior walls. So if I go into my architecture tab and I go wall, now in a commercial building, an interior wall is 4 7/8 cents. So we've got something going on here, but this is going to probably be a structural wall because we've got our basketball court, and then we had a, say, health club in here. And just for the exterior sake, I'm going to finish this off and work this out. These are the interior walls. So for now, I'm going to leave it there and just pick this up, do this layout, and then we'll do the interior walls in the next video. So hey guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Help make videos like this every day. Everybody be safe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.